And that's time. Okay. So we're going to check your answers. Okay. Tell whether the number is written correctly in scientific notation. If it is incorrect, state the reason. This is actually correct because the coefficient is between 1 and 10. That's 5.245. That's between 1 and 10, so you're good. Here, no. 52.45 is not between 1 and 10, so check your answers, okay? Next one, write the number in scientific notation. Well, the decimal, if they don't put it there for you, you might want to just put the decimal right there in your original problem. Remember, coefficient has to be between 1 and 10, so we got to move that decimal clear over here between the 6 and the 2 to make the coefficient between 1 and 10. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. 6.25 times 10 to the 7th. Next one. All right, this is a tiny little decimal, so we know our exponent should be negative. So we got to move that decimal between the 4 and the 5 because the coefficient has to be between 1 and 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. So it's 4.5 times 10 to the negative 6th. Next one, write the number in standard form. Well, anytime you see a negative exponent, that should be a dead giveaway. It's going to be a tiny little decimal. So we got to move that decimal 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, and fill in our zeros, 0.005245. Next one, we got to move our decimal 6 places to the right. So it's right there at 5.245. If we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're going to add 3 more zeros. It's going to be 5,245,000. Our new decimal is going to be right there. Okay, next one. Add the numbers in scientific notation. It's kind of like, this one's kind of like the review problems. Check it out. You have 5 apples plus 14 apples. I underlined apples. Okay, all you have to do is add 5 plus the 14, which is 19. And since they have 10 to the third in common, that just comes into your final answer. And really, 19 times 10 to the third is 19,000. Now, it does say rewrite your answer in scientific notation if necessary. This is not in proper scientific notation because 19 is not between 1 and 10. So, the decimal should go 1, 2, 3, 4 places. That's 1.9 times 10 to the 4th. Okay, if you move it between the 1 and the 9. Finally, okay, here we go. These are not apples. That's like apples and oranges. That's 10 to the third and 10 squared. Those are different. It's not like the previous one where we had 10 to the third and 10 to the third. This one's 10 to the third and 10 squared. So we just have to do the problem. 9.3 times 1,000 is 9,300. 6.2 times 10 squared, that's 6.2 times 100. That's 620. So we got 9,300 minus 620. That's 8,680. Now that is not in scientific notation. So I want you to move the decimal between the 8 and the 6. 1, 2, 3. That's 8.68 times 10 to the third. Okay, because we had to move it 3 places to the left. All right. Hey, good luck on your CFA today. And can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.